You will love the features of this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.